Hi guys, I hope I am live. If you can see and hear me, just actually type it in the comment box so that, I will actually get started. All of you can see and hear me, just let me know so that we will get started, guys. I'm just checking my phone to find out if actually you are able to see. Okay, I think everything looks fine. Great, fantastic, guys. As I told you last on Friday, that market is going to go zoom, and actually that's exactly what has happened, and it is going to continue with this journey. Market is going to be buy on every other dip, guys. Buy on every other dip. There could be here and there some minor corrections. These minor corrections are so minor. It's this actually there's no point in actually doing any kind of shorting and all. Don't get into any of these things. So guys, let's get started with our trading ideas. So let's get started. So I'll actually read out the main rules, which actually always we start with the rules. The rules are like this, guys. All the trading ideas, whatever I've been saying, it is based on the technical breakouts. After the breakouts have happened, then only I've advised you. And even then, I would always advise that you make your own analysis before doing any kind of trading or investing. If you have any financial advisors, go take their advice before you doing any of these things. All these are purely swing trades. These are not intraday trades. All these will have stop loss and targets, and if any of them are hit, you need to move out of it. You should not stay, guys. You need to move out of it. It's very important. Please trade only you can afford to those. Don't try to put all the money in one trade and try to gamble. This is a pure business, guys. This is not a gambling. You need to put at least 3 4 stocks, because one actually can hit the target, something actually can be minor things, something actually may not give you momentum, something can hit the stop loss. All these things are possible. We're not charging anything for this, guys. The only thing what I would advise is you share this with all your friends, and if you're benefited, just actually share this screenshot of your earnings, so that that will motivate me for doing this. I will know that I'm in the right path. And if you can give me a testimonial, that will be really great. I would suggest you to donate at least 10% to charity. I have this vision of creating the biggest, largest giver community, and that is the reason I'm sharing with you. You make money and donate some portion. Let us actually make people, let's actually spread this love and joy, guys. So, guys, the disclaimer is all these are purely for educational purposes. Any investment you are doing, it is purely at your own discretion and your own risk. Okay, let's get started. Friday, I asked you for, I had actually shared with you the Wipro, ITC, Adani Ports, JSW, and Indian Oil. So if you look at this, Wipro first and second target got achieved. I think very nearby to the third target. I think it will get achieved very soon. Say as long as the momentum is going to continue, you can ride on to this. ITC is on the same place. I don't see any big challenge with that. Exactly, is last Friday's low was 172. We are actually at the same low. So call is active. As long as that price we are not going to breach, call is still active. Adani Ports, all targets have got achieved, and after that it has started falling down. That's why I have been telling you, profit booking is very important. Targets are achieved, you need to book profits. That's what happens. Now it's come back to that, and once it starts again moving back again, there could be a buy. JSW still actually first and second target achieved. I think very closely we are going to achieve this third target also very soon. Indian Oil, it is at the same level, so the call is still active. So let's get started for today. Today, what are the trades? SBI, if you are getting anywhere between 218 to 219, this ideal buy. A little bit here and there, and if it is moved up a little bit, it's still a good buy, guys. 217 should be the strict stop loss, and 222, 225, 228, these are the targets, and it can probably move much higher, but you need to keep trailing that, and you can actually ride on to that. The second stock which I am going to recommend is going to be Coal India. Coal India 120, 121. If you are getting it, is a good buy. 118 is actually even Friday's low. It could be the best place for you to put the stop loss. As long as we are not going to breach 118, we should start seeing the target of 123, 125, 128 in the coming days. Okay, the third stock which I'm recommending to you is Mahindra and Mahindra. See, the main target, the main stop loss will be 590 is the major stop loss, because that is where actually there's a good support which is there. But still, if I have to keep a very tight stop loss, it could be the day low which is there at around 610, 611 could be the levels at which we can look at buying. And we are almost nearby to the same place, and we can easily expect 615, 618, 620 kind of levels. And looking at the way it is, it can actually move much higher. But still, as long as we are hitting the targets, we need to keep trailing. Booking profit is extremely important, guys. You have to book profits. Again, if it comes down again, you can look at buying, but hope look could be the levels at which we are looking at buying. 169 could be the stop loss, and we are looking at targets of 173, 175, 178 in the coming days. So guys, one thing you need to understand, the stop loss stock which I'm recommending is Titan. Titan is actually at a good level, and one uh, 1260, 261 could be a good buy. 1250 could be the stop loss which you can keep, and it can actually move quite a lot. 1280, 1300, 315 could be the levels which we can expect in the coming days. So these are all the different stocks which I'm recommending. As I said, guys, you need to look at at least 3 to 4 stocks whenever you're doing. Don't do everything in one stock. That's very important. And guys, if you are not a part of my pro trader club, you are not, if you have not actually joined that particular program, I think this is the time, guys. From today, from Monday to Friday, I'm actually doing this program. This is going to be the pilot batch, and for this pilot batch, I'm actually keeping this fee as just 499 rupees, less than what you can actually spend to go to watch a movie, guys. 499 rupees is what you will be spending, and you are getting 5 hours of training. And the fourth day will be a live training, because actually I'll be doing this on the I'll be talking about the taking the perfect entry and exit, and for that I'll be doing this entire thing on the live market. So it will be somewhere around this same timing between 12:30 to 1:30, or somewhere around this times we'll be doing. So I'll be doing this. So if you look at the 5-day program, I've already, there's another video, if you can actually just go back and watch. I have actually done a pre-training for this pro trading system, what I'm actually talking about. Now, see, when you are doing, if you, and you want to be a professional trader, you need to actually have your systems and process in place. And when you work on those systems, things are going to be miraculously different. So what you need to do, guys, is if you want to actually get ahead, today is the time where you are getting at this price. Go ahead and join. I'll leave that link below, and you can go ahead and join. And if there's any doubts, guys, I can actually quickly clarify, or else I'll quickly wind up the sessions. Let me see if there's any questions. I'll see it on my phone, so it's easy for me. Okay. Hajitu is saying look change. Nothing. I'm just wearing a t-shirt. This t-shirt I've not wear quite some time. That's the only thing. Okay. Thank you, guys. If there's nothing else, I will quickly wind up this. Thank you very much, guys.